Hello, Carol. How are you?
Very well, thanks, Victoria. How about yourself?
I'm all right, thank you. Where is this? Cardiff Bay?
It is. Now, this is from yesterday. What kind of weather did you
beautiful.
have yesterday where you were?
It was freezing. Absolutely blowy and horrible.
We had a right mix. So Tom from Cardiff sent this in of Cardiff Bay. Lovely picture. But look at this. This is Masood's picture from London. It was so windy, brought down a tree. And then if we keep going, you can see in Bournemouth, rough seas.
Yes.
In fact, the weather yesterday caused some ferry disruption. But what I really want to show you is what happened on the near continent, because if you did manage to catch a ferry and get there, look at this. These are lightning strikes. Now, Victoria, how many lightning strikes do you think there are there? I don't expect you to get this right, by the way.
No, I won't.
Have you had a guess?
Oh, I don't know. I have absolutely no idea. 263?
No, but
I've got no idea.
No way out. But it was a good guess. 200,000 plus.
Oh my gosh,
now,
okay.
most of those happened in a relatively short amount of time, so from the morning up until about 7 o'clock in the evening. And the colours denote what time they happened. So the yellows were first thing in the morning, for example, the ambers in the afternoon, and then the reds in the early evening and into the overnight period as well. That's a lot, and they spawned a tornado.
Good facts.
Well, they spawned a tornado in Germany.
Yes.
And any idea how many tornadoes us Europeans get per year?
11?
No, but you're getting good at this, I must say. About 300. I didn't expect you to know any of that, so you're a good sport for trying. And I must say, too, that they happen between usually June and August. Now, we've been looking at thunderstorms. We've got some thunderstorms in our forecast today. We've had some already, and we do have some more to come. And in fact, for most of us, it is another blustery day. Strong winds across southern areas and across the far north of Scotland in particular. Now, as well as being a blustery day, we've got showers and we've got rain, and this is what has happened during the early part of today. A lot of showers, rain across Scotland, Northern Ireland and also Wales into Northern England. That's going to continue to turn more showery through the course of the day. But what you will notice, apart from the wind, more on that in a second, is that it's a cloudier day today than it was yesterday, and it's also feeling cooler. So a plethora of showers on the map as we go through this morning into the afternoon. And even as we do head into the afternoon, we carry on with some of those showers. So looking at Scotland, first of all, we've got the showers, still quite windy across the Northern Isles. With that combination and all the cloud, well, it is going to feel cool if you're stepping out. It's the same for Northern Ireland. After this morning's rain, increasingly turning showery across Northern England. And in fact, as we cross the rest of England and also Wales, the showers continue. Still the potential for them to be sharp and also thundery. Any sunshine, and it will be at a premium today, is likely to be in the south, but that doesn't mean that it's going to be bone dry. So I mentioned the wind. These are the kind of wind gusts that we're looking at, so still gusting to gale force, particularly across the English Channel coastlines and the eastern end of the Bristol Channel, but inland too, which means that we could see possibly some more disruption, maybe some small branches coming down today rather than trees. So as we head on then into the evening and overnight period, the low pressure drifts from the northwest towards the northeast. Look at the squeeze and isobars around that, still windy here. The showers engaging with the colder air across the highlands of Scotland, falling as snow on the tops of the hills. But elsewhere, the isobars really widen, which means that tomorrow it's not going to be as windy, it's going to be drier. There will be some sunshine, one or two showers scattered here and there. The winteriness continuing to decline across the far north of Scotland. Then as we move into Friday, well, still a lot of dry weather around. However, there's a fly in the ointment in the shape of this weather front here, which looks like it's going to bring in some rain. Now, the timing of this weather front could well change. It may be slower, it may well be faster, but this is what we think at the moment, that it's going to be largely dry, the rain coming in across western areas with top temperatures up to 18 Celsius. That leads us into Saturday. Depending on where that rain is by the time we get to the end of Friday, the rain will push across, clearing away, leaving a mixture of dry spells, sunny spells and showers. But as we head into Sunday, getting that little bit warmer.